Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy on G by Nancy. Today I'm going to be creating the Sant Patties look. It was super easy. I used this NYX Ultimate palette. It was super cheap. I grabbed it from Target and I was able to create this look. I used the green and the yellow. So if you are looking for a cheap pigmented colors, I mean, I think this is pretty good for like $8. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please remember to subscribe. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by putting the green over our lid and just making sure we get that all around our lid. I already did the left one, so just tap, 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 tap. So I'm just here laughing, enjoying myself. I'm actually on the phone, so I'm just like laughing my butt off. So I just keep doing that. Oh, I went ahead and grabbed the yellow and I'm just like putting it in my crease and I'm trying to blend it out very slowly. So just blend it out, blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. I feel like working with a smaller brush is easier to work with because it like gives you more control of that color, especially with black, because black is dangerous. So start little by little, or else, yeah, let's not talk of that. You'll end up with a black eye. But yeah, I just blended it all out. Just grab that little brush and just blend, blend, blend. Blend till you get super tired. Just kidding, just blend until it looks just about right. So I went ahead and started cleaning like the fallout with just another foundation. I'll list it below. It's like a very thin foundation that I like to use to do like any cleanup. I like it. I love that foundation for that. I'll link it down below. And then I went ahead and grabbed a little bit of foundation on a small brush, just so that when I applied the glitter, it would stick on. And there I go, applying the glitter. And I'm just like tapping it over my lid. Tap, 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 tap. We're almost done. You hang in there, so just keep tapping. Tap, 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 tap. And it'll just all kind of like blend in nicely. So I then went ahead and grabbed the small brush and picked up a little bit of that green and started putting it underneath my eye. And then I grabbed a little bit of that yellow and put it underneath my eye, and a little bit of that black on the outer end, and you just blend it in so that it all looks like smooth. Y'all know I love white liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this white liner and start lining my waterline. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my foundation. I feel like it really, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my eyes out. I went ahead and did my liner. I find it really easy just to like start by just drawing a line and doing like very small strokes. My favorite time has come. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. So I'm gonna draw a line here, 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 and here. Okay, Now let's go ahead and start blending. Oh, I think I realized that my lips were way too chapped. So I went ahead and put a little chapstick, and then I got into the blending. So we're gonna blend, 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 blend. So now that the contour is done, we're gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of like a shimmery shade to the inner corners of our eyes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with this amazing setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, and then I'm gonna apply one of my favorite lipsticks from Clinique. I'll list it down below along with all the products that I used. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply a little blush. I applied a little gloss too, just to make my lips pop. I went ahead and applied some setting spray as well. I like to look a little dewy, so I used the dewy one from NYX. I really love that setting spray. And then I went ahead and applied highlighter. I feel like applying highlighter after you apply the setting spray really helps like your highlighter pop. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you picked up a few tips, maybe a Sam Patty's look. If you like this look, please remember to subscribe, give it a like, share it. And don't forget, if you do go out and purchase this palette, the Ultimate from NYX, please let me know how it worked out for you. I really liked it. Let me know your thoughts on it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye now.